guys, it's Tom. Nice to see you back in my kitchen. Tonight we're going to be doing something called corn oysters, otherwise known as corn fritters. And this is an easy one, okay? This only has about 4 ingredients, okay? So let's get started. So the first thing I want to do is I want to get this pan up really nice and warm. I'm going to take some vegetable oil. I'm just going to kind of squirt that in there just like that, okay? To that vegetable oil, I'm going to add about 3 or 4 tablespoons of bacon grease. That's right, bacon grease. Who doesn't love bacon grease, right? Next time you fry bacon, just go ahead and save the grease. I have a little container here. Every time we make something with bacon, I pour the grease in here. I know that's weird. So what I have here in the bowl is I have a cup of flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a teaspoon of salt. Just gonna mix it up really good like that, okay? Get a can of corn, like I got right here, and strain out the juice. Now you don't want to throw away the juice because the juice is very important. We want to get 2 eggs here, slightly beaten. Okay, there's 1, there's 2. Okay, kind of beat these up, and then just go ahead and throw them in the bowl. Okay, so now what we want to do is just going to give this a little mix. Okay, and then take that reserved juice from the corn and just put a little bit of it in. Don't put it all in at once, okay? Because you don't want to thin this down too much. Okay, so once that's mixed good, what you want to do is just put in your corn. Okay, now once the corn is in there like that, you want to give it just a little bit of a stir. Okay, you don't have to overmix it. You just want to make sure the corn is pretty much throughout the batter. You want to just start dropping these in by the spoonfuls. I usually go about that size right there. Just start putting them in. Okay? And you can tell when it's ready because it will start to sizzle like this. Then all you have to do is just kind of fill up the pan. So let's go ahead and flip these and see where we're at. These are beautiful. Okay. Now what I like to do when they first come out, I like to give them just a little bit of a hit of salt while it's still hot. Okay. So let's transfer them to a plate. Maybe a little bit of butter on top because you know what? It's just what you got to do. Hit them with a little maple syrup. And that's really all you really need to know at this point. It's a beautiful thing. The only thing left to do now is eat these. Okay? Let's give it a little taste. A little syrup, a little butter. Corn oysters, corn fritters, whatever you want to call them. It's delicious. Thanks guys, we'll see you next time.